Very good evening, my dear students. As I heard from the one of the students of 6th standard that already first lesson has been completed and a poem has been also completed and one supplementary reading. Okay. So today I decided to start your new lesson number 2nd, that is how the dog found himself a new master. What is the name of this lesson? How the dog found himself a new master. Means ತನ್ನ ನಾಯಕನನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಾಗ್ ಹುಡುಕೊಂತು, like this. Means now today almost all of we having a pet dog in our home. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಿ ಸಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that like before coming to the human, how was the a dog, with which animal it has friendship and all about the previous story of the dog mentioned in your lesson. So before going to the lesson number 2nd in your textbook, how the dog found himself a new master, please just read 4 lines in front of the heading there. You may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. Already you might know, maybe the dog and the wolf. Wolf means toda. Both are closely related. How closely related means similarity between dog and wolf is same, looking like same only, little bit. Closely related means the same kind of. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is a story about how the dog became tame animal, right? Tamed wild animals means having command on that, means giving training on that, taking the ownership of the animal and having rights on animal, means ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡಿತ ಸಾಧಿಸೋದು. That is what the tamed wild animals means. Here they are telling to us that already you might have known that dog is a pet animal of human. Before coming to human, it was with some of the wild animals. Day by day it do friendship or it work as servant as to lion, wolf, bear, all of these animals. Later it came to human, and now it is very close with human and it is adapted to human very closely. It has very close relationship with human, means with us. Finally it reached to us. So how the story begins, see here. Dog were, in the first paragraph, dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. See, here ill-pleased means old-fashioned way of saying not happy. Ill-pleased means like very dull. If someone speak with you, you will say, I am not happy, I can't smile, I can't give answer, like this. This reaction is ill-pleased. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do. Means ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ means dogs have their own way of living. Means however come to its mind, that time they were living and they were the own masters of their life, and those have freedom also. Until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. Means until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. Means firstly, beginningly, dogs are like a wolves only. They are very strong and all. Later, what happens? By wandering here and there, some dogs getting tired, and some dogs were getting what is that? Lack of interest to go and hunt, to roam here and there by having food, and it got bored. It got bored, and one dog, he was sick among the many dogs. One dog getting bored and it was sick. Sick means not feeling well, like tired or fever or like this anything. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. Means wandering here and there and getting tired. Looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. See, first of all, that dog, one dog in this lesson, means which is mentioned here. How the dog found himself a new master in this lesson. Means how day by day, after 10 years, after 50 years, after one century, another century, how a dog was in the forest day by day, how it became near a relation to, means how it started having relationship with the human as a pet animal of the humans. How the time changes. Firstly, dog was in forest. It closer to wolves. Later, it did friendship of bear, and later lion, and it worked as a servant of these all animals and have a friendly relationship. And later, it came to human, and now dogs are living in a nearby our area, nearby our home, in our village, with us in society, not in a forest. That like one dog getting sick, getting tired of wandering here and there, having food, and other dogs were wandering and having food, and those are happy. This dog, because of sickness, it unable to go here and there. That's why it got frightened of those who were stronger than he. He means dog here. We are speaking about dog. He means here is a dog. Just assume that here is a dog. He frightened of all the dogs who were very good in health, who were able to go here and there and having their foods and coming to forest. But this just assume that here is a dog. Here is a dog. Okay, just this dog. This dog is very sick and it can't go and have the food. That's why it was frightened of those who were stronger than he. He was weak. It got It got frightened than the other dogs. Means it was got harassed. Means disappointed, getting angry. I am sick. I have no food. I can't go here and there, search and come to have the food. These are stronger than me, other dogs, and these are going here and there having food. And such a type of feeling came into dog's mind. That's why being frightened of those who were stronger than he, means he got frightened from by the other dogs. Second paragraph. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. What the dog started to think itself is, I am sick, I can't go here and there and search food and have. So better to be servant of anyone. Better to be servant of anyone, and just in order to have food, I have to do a friendship with someone, means some animal, just speaking nicely with animal that I want to become your servant, I will be always with you, I will always follow you, and what you have to do is please provide some food. After having food, please leave me some food, I will have from which you already had. Means, have you observed in forest, lion, tiger, cheetah, all those animals will hunt and kill the deer and other animals, oxes and what we can call zebras in forest. These all strong animals will hunt, and later after eating by those animals, there will be some meat. There will be some meat and blood and some bones left there. Such a kind of animals like a dog and wolf, they will go and eat the food. So it started thinking in its mind, I am unable to go and have the food roam here and there. Better to have friendship of some animals, and when they hunt and kill some animals, and later they will eat and they leave some amount of food, and I will have that only. I will have that food only. So it's a better. So I will do this like only. It decided in its mind, and it started to find an animal to be a servant of animal. It started to find its master. Its master means either it may be some animal, strong animal. The dog will be its follower. And he walked and he walked, and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master? Wolf means dog asked to dog said to wolf, I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master? Wolf means dog is going on its way in forest. Where are you going, dog? Wolf It came and asked the dog. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. Later to the wolf, dog replied, I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master? Wolf ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು ಫಾಲೋವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀನು ತಿಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಳಿಸು, ನಾನು ತಿಂತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಗ್. And I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master? Wolf. This is dog asked to wolf. And I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon, and the two of them went on together. And later, obviously, the strong animal will have, see, for example, in society, a strong builder and strong kind of a man, always he has his best friend or his follower beside him. He is a strong man in society. He go here and there like a leader, and he will have his follower who depicts about him. Hey, he is a very strong man. He has a good mobile. He is very rich person. He has a costly bike. Like this, a follower will always describe a strong man. No, that like this dog also started to describe like this is a strong animal. Wolf is strong animal, and it is very strong like this. It following, it keep on praising wolf, and being a follower, it started to follow wolf, and wherever wolf will have some food, and there will be some of food left to the dog, and it will eat the food without hunting, without wandering here and there, without losing energy, being a very sick animal and very weak animal. It started to following wolf, and itself getting free food. Free food means without hunting, without going here and there, without hard work, only by following wolf it's getting food. And because of this, why the wolf will say no? Obviously all will have a follower, one who depicts about the leader or the strong man. Always, even humans, even animals have some followers. So wolf inside its mind started to feel like, oh, I am strong and he is my follower, he prizes me Lord, okay, he will listen my orders and always he will follow me, so I am great, okay, no problem, you follow me. Like this, wolf started thinking in its mind, and it said, okay, you will be my follower and start to follow me. And both had agreed. Then I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon, the two of them went on together. Means the dog thinks, suddenly wolf agreed to my request that I want to become your servant. Means wolf said, oh, why not, come, you will be my servant, okay. Like this, wolf agreed, and dog is thinking of that, why it said suddenly okay. Then later they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose and sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. What has come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? Can't you see? There is a bear, means karadi, right? Bear out of there, and he might eat up both of us, you and me. So when both were going in forest, suddenly wolf found a bear, means karadi, and by seeing that, it hides itself like this, with the closing its mouth, slowly breathing, like controlling its nose, means speed breathing. Just it's calm down, and it started hiding itself in a forest, means in some trees. And suddenly, by looking at that wolf, dogs got surprised. Why, master? You are my master, you are strong man, why you are hiding yourself? And wolf said, hey follower, my follower, dog, you don't know, there is a bear. If it came to us, it will eat both of us, so don't go near to that. Please come and hide from him, otherwise bear will come and it will eat both of us. After listening to the wolf, what the dog started thinking in its mind, oh, means wolf started to fear for the bear, means bear is stronger than wolf. So if it will be better, I will be a follower of bear. It started to thinking of to follow bear in its mind, and when this wolf started to hide itself, then it came to know, oh, he is very weak and he is not strong as bear, so better to be a follower of bear. And such a kind of thought will come to the dog mind. And in the rest of the things, what will happen, which incident will take place, we will discuss in next class. Please read until 7 and 18 pages, and remaining things we will discuss in the next class. Okay, read well. Bye. and do your exam well.